You left me in the rain. No goodbye, no warning. Now I'm drowning in the silence of a love that died this morning. Every drop that hits the glass sounds like your last goodbye. I reach out in the dark, but there's no hand in mine. You left me in the rain with echoes of our morning. Now I dance with ghosts in a room that's always storming. Tears mixed with the sky, but you'll never know the pain. You left me. You left me in the rain. Your coffee cup still on the shelf, but your warmth has gone away. I talk to your old sweater like it still knows